Welcome to our new video series called Sherpa Shorts. My name is Martin Johnson. I'm the Executive Vice President for TyRex and responsible for all things additive manufacturing. You may ask why we call it Sherpa Shorts. Well, like a Sherpa who leads someone up a mountain, our job is to help lead you up your own 3D printing mountain. We will focus on 10 areas that we have found to be critical to success if you're interested in additive manufacturing, and each one of the videos will have a segment or portions of a segment related to one of those 10 areas. You may be wondering why TyRex should be your Sherpa guide. Well, we have experience with over 15 different types of 3D printers internally. You can see some of those operating behind me. We have experience with fused filament fabrication, stereolithography, digital light processing, digital light synthesis, like the carbon printer here. We've had experience with multi-jet, direct write dispensing, as well as a number of others. And each one of these is unique in its characteristics, how you design for printing on that particular printer, and what you would use those prints for. So we hope you will come with us on a journey, learn more about additive manufacturing and how it can help your business be successful going forward.